Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Such a pretty girl. This is the boy, ain't it? Is that a boy? That should be a boy. Yep, that's a boy. He not in the mood. Come on, this is the big bones, not Mama Big Draws.
Oh, yeah. That's really tick marks.
Yeah, that's tick marks on that nose. Yeah, tell him I'm sleepy.
We started from scratch. No blueprint. Building. Subtracting what's not needed. We here now. Conscious.
A boy. She got more than one.
Oh, yeah.
This a boy. Hey, big boy.
You look good.
Hey, big boy. Say hey. Say what's up. What's up?
So what I'm doing here is I just got their bowl, right? This is the bowl we feed the puppies in, you know. And I got some grinded up kibble. I give the puppies the same kibble that I give the big dogs. Just grind it up as fine as I can get it grinded and put it in a bowl. You know, spread it all around because the puppies, they can't eat whole kibble because their teeth are not fully developed. And they just need it as small as possible, but I want them to get the exact same nutrients that the big dogs are getting. This is what we're doing here. So you see the kibble in the bowl like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this cup up to that point right there with water, warm water to be exact, you know, because we got to make the mush. And we're going to make the mush with the Nurse All supplement milk. That's what we're using. We're going to mix it with the water. So let's go ahead and mix it with the water. Yeah. You got to get it right. Got to get it right. Just one scoop. Just one scoop for that amount of water. It would be just fine for the puppies. It'd be just fine. Just one scoop. Keep the freshness. I like to stir up with a fork. So that's what I'm doing right now. Stirring it up. Making sure that the milk is stirred up real good. Because we're getting ready to mix this milk with the mush. You know, we're making mush. We're not mixing it with the milk, with the mush, pardon me. We're making mush. You gotta stir that milk up real good. You know. It's a beautiful thing. You go ahead and add that milk. Pour it all around. Make sure it hits every section where there's kibble. And it's a good thing because we're low-key introducing the puppies to water too as we go along. Just liquid. And we're trying to get them some filling. Stir that thing up right. You don't want no lumps in it. Lumps is bad. Lumps give your puppy an opportunity to choke. You don't want any lumps in it. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. Keep stirring. Yeah, man. If you don't want your puppies to be gagging and choking, then stir that thing up right and make sure you apply the proper amount of milk to the kibble. Get you a good grinder. Make sure that thing grinded up right. I realized that I didn't put enough kibble in here, so I'm just adding a little more. You know, it doesn't matter if I make too much because I got a whole nother litter that's coming right behind this litter, and I'll just continue on. So I'm just adding a little more right now because I want to make sure that it's balanced with the amount of milk that I put in there to the kibble. So I'm gonna add a little more and let that get in there. Oh yeah. More stirring, more stirring, more stirring. This is how it's done, guys. This is how it's done. You gotta stir that thing up. You don't want to make it too thick on one side and too loose on the other side, so you have to stir it up properly. You'd be surprised though. I mean, a lot of times the puppies are ready for your mistakes and they still eat it, and you'd be surprised if they ate it. But because I'm conscious, I just want to consciously do it the way that I see it in my mind and gradually grow to the level that I think they're on. Like, to be honest with you, I'm thinking about trying them on straight water. They're 5 weeks old as of Sunday. Both litters will be 5 weeks old. And I'm really thinking about giving them a bowl just like this, full of water, right after I give them that meal. We're gonna add a little bit of dime to that thing, because that dime, it just makes everything taste better for the puppies, aside from being a calorie booster. So this is why I'm adding a dime in there.